So this is week 6. I've come down to the barn. They've done quite a bit of work. They've made this frame on this end go all the way up to the top, so we can see where our ceiling is going to be above the purlins. They've put all new purlins in going across here, which look really nice. The other ones were sort of like rough sawn wood. These are just sawn wood, so we'll have to come to a decision whether we want to paint those or not. All the insulations here. So I imagine next week they've cut some of it up and they'll be putting this all into the frame. They've redone the inset porch, this sort of section. So that is essentially what we'll be walking through into the porch, and then a door to the left there going into this room. When they first put that up, they put it up at the same height as these windows, but that's actually 2.4 meters high, because these rooms have the mezzanine above them, where this doesn't, and we wanted it the same height as the windows that are going to go around here, so that it doesn't look like there's a step down. And they've done the frame all the way to the top there. You can see there where that roof line is. So that's really cool. They've got all the scaffolding up all the way around the outside now. I can't remember if they had that last week or not. What else have we got? We've got steels that have arrived. These are going to go into constructing the mezzanine floor, and so I can see that they've been painting them with that red oxide paint, but I'm not really sure. I know where these two steels are going. It shows those on the plans, and then, well, that might possibly be those two steels, I'm not sure, but anyway, quite a bit of steel's arrived, so that's all the steel that's going to go in. There's some more insulation over there, and we've got all the boarding up there, which is under cover there, so I assume that's going on next week. I think they were aiming to get the roof on, to get all that boarding on this week, but I don't know whether them having to make some changes to that mezzanine porch has made a difference or not, to how much they could get done. So we can go up on here now. It's a bit dangerous holding a phone at the same time, but never mind. So on we go. So you can see here, this is about holding it to about head height now, so I'll just have room to just squeeze underneath there. And then of course, so where the steels are, you can duck your head, but then the roof height will carry on going up to that bit there, minus plasterboard and plaster, so like another centimetre and a half on there. So yeah, we can walk all the way around here and have a look. So you can see where they've written things on here. They've written all these colours white. These probably mean something. They don't really mean much to me. So the white's there again. Some drawings. Green. No idea what that means. But this is so this is where our sort of hidden guttering's going to be. So the zinc will come sort of, I assume, will come up to there, and then so the guttering will all be hidden, so you won't actually see that sticking out to the side of the building at all, which sort of helps to give it that sort of monolithic look. So it's all looks like one piece. You can see all the frame is finished here. See there, we're the same height here. You can see I thought those pieces of timber would go along top of those purlins, but they don't. They just sort of butt into them. So I'll walk along here. A little bit windy actually, so to grab onto something. So they haven't done this part of the frame yet, showing where these windows are going to go. But I assume they'll be doing that next week. They'll finish that off because they've done the top bits there and there, so they'll need to do this bit of the frame next before they can do the bit that goes above that gable end. So here we've got all the boards. I won't take the sheet off because it's a little bit low here. Probably lose it. But yeah, so that's what they've been doing this week.